That's crazy. Got a Barbie.
Just got out here to the Wolf River, Shawano, Wisconsin. Dam is right over here, very low current. Visibility is pretty good, better than last time. Here we got Stella. Say I'm gonna take my kayak out here, dive, and clean up a lot of trash.
First one. There we go. Look at those guys. That is the weirdest hook I've ever seen. That's crazy. Got a Barbie.
And I'll be returning this back to the Wolf River where I found it.
That's pretty cool. What the heck is this? Need a break. After that one, better start heading back. Oh.
That other bike's gonna have to stay. size here.
Just finished my dive. Check what I got. Pulled some line and lures out of here today. Got some plastic, golf ball, some more plastic here, a lot of cans, tin, aluminum. Found this reel here, this little cross here, and check this out. What kind of hook is that? Look at that thing. It's got 10 hooks on one little rig there. Found Miss Barbie here. She looks like she had better days. Found this cool Radant from Shawano, and that's the first bottle I found like that. Pretty neat. Got a piece of PVC out of here, 2 fishing rods, 2 bikes, high voltage sign. Someone lost their magnet in the rocks down there. 4 people got hooked up on it. I was not able to retrieve the magnet, so I cut the rope so people won't snag anymore. Got some more metal out of here, a tire. Got this little pedal bike thing here for exercising. Check that out. Someone lost the lure on that. Made sure it's not gonna happen again. Fun dive, saw a couple sturgeon as you saw in the video. Saw a couple walleye toward the end. It's good to be here in Shawano, Wisconsin.
Thanks to all the people who came out to say hi and see what I was doing. Thanks for the questions. Thanks to the Shawano Department of Public Works for grabbing this. I look forward to coming back and cleaning up more of the Wolf River in Shawano, Wisconsin.